Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Honor X7 and let me share with you how to add the photo to a contact in this device. So first of all, let's open your contact list, for example using the dialer, and now find the contact you'd like to edit and tap on it. Now let's tap on edit right in the middle here and tap on the camera icon. And as you can see right here, we've got two different options. So we can either take a photo and then your device will open the camera app. So this is the best option to choose if you've got the person right in front of you and if you're able to catch a photo of him or her, or you can choose a photo from the gallery. And I will pick this option. Now simply find the photo you'd like to use and tap on the stick icon in the right upper corner. And after that, we will be transferred to this step. As you can see, we can zoom in or out the photo and we can change the position of it, and whatever will appear in this highlighted area, it means that it will be shown on the contact because this area is basically responsible for it. So if you are ready, tap on tick icon and it should appear right here. And for some reason it did not. So let me do it again. Just quickly set it. All right, and as you can see right now, we've got it here. So let's confirm it with the tick icon again in the right upper corner. And as you can see, this is how it looks like after the saving. You will be able to see this photo not only on the contact list, but also, for example, during all incoming calls from that number. So basically that's all. This is how to add the photo to a contact in your Honor X7. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.